Dear student, in our digital documentation, this is the last part that has been included by the CBSE board, and I'm going to discuss about this particular section, which is known as a mail merging. The topic is mail merging. So, in this mail merging, what you have, you see here, I have written one invitation letter that this is the letter of an annual sports day. So in the school, the sports day will going to be organized, and what are the events, different events, and what are the thing will going to happen. So this is one pattern of invitation letter. Suppose this invitation letter you want to send to all the schools that are in Shiliguri, Jalpaiguri, even if Malda, Kashiang, Kalimpong, Darjeeling, everywhere. So that is what. So for this purpose, what you have to read. Suppose there are hundred or thousands of schools are there. So you have to read, write this particular letter for thousands of time. No, that is not. You will write only the content once, and there is a option that is known as a mailing. So in this option, you can create a database. You can create, again, listen very nicely. You can create the database of what? Database of the recipients, those who will going to receive those letter, database of the recipient that you can create, and you can make this particular letter available for everyone. So let us start the process. First, you will come to the mailing option. I am already in the mailing option. From the home, see here, home, you have a insert, design, layout, reference, mailing. So I click on the mailing. So in the mailing option, you will find your all these particular will become inactive. But here it is active because one database is already created, therefore it is active. So I'll start with start mailing. Okay, start mailing. So click on it. What to mail? Letter, emails, envelopes. That means where you want to print the thing. Labels, dictionary. So step by step mail merge wizard. That also you can do. Okay, step by step mail merge wizard. So if you click on it, see here, there are the different one column will going to come. Okay, in this column mail march wizard, I'll show this one afterwards. First let us do with a wizard option. So use the existing list. Okay, select other outlook content, type a new list. So click on the type a new list. Letter is already there. So create, click on create. As soon as you click on create, you see all these thing will going to come. What title, father, first name, last name, company name, address one, address line one, address line two, city, state, all these things are there. Okay, so you have to insert the data. First the title. Suppose I am giving some title. Okay, title I have given, first name I am giving here, suppose Ajay. Okay, now company name I am giving here, DP is Delhi, Kalimpong. CONG, Kalimpong. Okay, address line I am giving Kalimpong. Okay, city I am. You can give the city name. You can skip out the city name. This particular city name I am skipping out. Okay, and now I am writing the state. State supposed WB West Bengal. Okay, any more thing is there or not? See here, there is one cursor is there. You can slide this cursor. You can see all the details are there. What zip, country, phone number, working phone number, email address, whatever you want, you can give. Now I am adding the new. How to add a new? If you want to delete, you can delete the entry. If you want to customize, you can customize. First, you do it. Suppose another entry. Okay,